Hello lovelies, this is the Drizzle Stitch. We're going to start by bringing our needle up through the fabric. And then we're going to do something really odd. We're going to take our thread out of our needle and just lay that thread over there to one side. For this next bit, be very careful. Needles are sharp and pointy, they will hurt you, but we're going to put our needle back into the fabric right next to the thread. And we're going to leave a tiny space and we're going to bring our needle back up through the fabric. This needle has to sit in place just like this one. We are then going to take our thread and put it over our finger and make a loop. So we're going to put it over, behind, and then we're going to point our finger upwards and slip that loop over the top of the needle. Use your pointy finger. Look at your fingerprint, put the thread over, behind, and then turn your finger so it's pointing upwards and you can see your fingernail. Okay, so over and point and put the loop over your needle. One thing to remember, always turn your finger the same direction. So if you're going in one direction, you do that all the way along when you do the rest of these stitches. So when you have this lovely little row of ridges, we're then going to try and thread our needle. Now, I forgot to video this and this is tricky, so you may need a needle threader or you will be there all day. Once your needle is threaded, we are going to remove the needle. Now we're going to take the needle out of the first hole and then the second hole, but be very careful. You don't want to drop any stitches off of the needle. So gently pull that needle out. Oh, nearly lost them. Now we're going to just push those stitches a little bit along the needle, not too far, because we need to put the needle down through the fabric next. And then we are going to put our needle back down through the fabric, right next to, not in the same hole, but right next to where we first came up through the fabric at the very beginning. Pull your needle gently through and you will have this wonderful textured 3D stitch. Isn't it cute? But most of all, I just love the name, the Drizzle Stitch. How cute! Happy stitching.